Hi guys and welcome back here to Drone Emotion to do back here once again with a brand new video, and today we're bringing you the pricing for the brand new Mavic 3 Pro, but not only that, but also the full spec sheet of this brand new drone, and we're gonna be seeing whether or not this is gonna be a big upgrade for the Mavic 3 lineup. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here. And if you want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI product, whether it's the Air 3 or the Mini 4, you already know this is the place to come for all of the latest updates and news. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which will be quite an exciting one to say the least. And that is because today I would like to go ahead and start the video talking about the price for this brand new Mavic 3 Pro. Now, we're going to be having several different combos available, and if you don't watch yesterday's video, we talked about how we're going to be having two different versions of this Mavic 3 Pro. We're going to be having the Mavic 3 Pro and the Mavic 3 Pro Cine. We still don't have the price for the Mavic 3 Cine, so we're going to be talking about the price only for the Mavic 3 Pro. Now, there will be different combos, but the price that I'm going to give you will be for this particular combo, which will be including the Mavic 3 Pro, the Fly More combo included in this, so 3 batteries, extra props, your shoulder bag, everything that would come to love from DJI, and also the RC Pro. So there we have the combo in screen, and the price according to our good friends over at Drone Excel will be $3,628 US dollars. So it's definitely a big jump over from what the Mavic 3 costs. Now the thing here is, how is DJI going to be able to justify such a steep price tag? Only by taking a look at the specs. So we did got the specifications for the Mavic 3 Pro thanks to our great friend Jasper Allens. So let's go ahead and take a look at what this brand new Mavic 3 Pro will be packing. So we're gonna be having an 84-degree field of view, an equivalent focal length of 24 millimeters, a variable aperture ranging from f2.8 to f11, a sensor size of, it's going to be a micro four thirds sensor, so it's going to be the same sensor as the Mavic 3, and it's going to be the same model, and effective pixel will be 20 million. Now we're going to be able to get a maximum resolution improvement. We're now going to be having 5.1K at 120 frames per second. We're also going to be getting an equivalent focal length on the telephoto of 166 millimeters, a fixed aperture of f3.4, a sensor size of half an inch, an effective pixel of 12 million, and a maximum resolution of 4K 60 frames per second. And now for the third lens, which is going to be called the medium telephoto, we're going to be having a field of view of 29 degrees, an equivalent focal length of 70 millimeters, an aperture of f2.8 is going to be fixed, a sensor size of 1/1.3 inches, which is very respectable, and an effective pixel size of 48 million, and a maximum resolution of 4K at 60 frames per second. So there we have the specs for the brand new Mavic 3 Pro in terms of the camera. So we still need to know the specs of the internal, such as range, flight time, and all that kind of stuff. That's going to be very interesting to know because of this brand new camera, which will be a little bit heavier. So we're going to keep you guys updated in that regard. So that is what we know so far in terms of the camera. So let us know down in the comment section down below what your thoughts are. Do you think it's a good improvement over from what we had on the Mavic 3? Would you even consider this Mavic 3 Pro, or are you just gonna wait for the Mavic 4 to come out. But that is what we have for all of you today. Thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Jordan Motion signing out.